at FenceTech 2026 in Indianapolis, and we're standing outside of our booth right now. The show floor just opened 20 minutes ago, and so we're kind of getting into the rhythm and getting everything going. We've got some traffic coming through already, and a few people trying to score at the little putt-putt game here. So we're excited for what's about to happen over the next few days. So we're here in front of our booth, and we just ran into Aaron and Billy King. So I met them at Operations Management School earlier this year, and this is their first time at FenceTech. And so I just wanted to kind of see what your reaction is and see what you think about it.
It's pretty great. A lot of stuff.
A lot of vendors, learning stuff, meeting new people.
A lot of great information.
Yeah. So what's your favorite thing you've seen so far?
To me, I would say it's the .com guy.
The .com guy?
Yeah.
Did you listen to him in one of the educations?
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we went and sat down with him a little bit yesterday.
Yeah.
And just, to see how much our website sucks.
And how much Google hates you?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, that's awesome. So your most impressive thing was an education session.
Yeah.
Yes. It's been pretty great to see the vast variety of vendors and options offered, from tools to websites and all kinds of equipment. It's been great.
This is Glaber with Memphis Fence. I'm here with the Apollo booth at FenceTech out here in Indianapolis for 2026. We're out here showing off our commercial estimating software, and we're hoping to see some people come by.
So if you listen to the show, you hear us talk about EZG Manufacturing every time, and always tell you the big orange equipment that you find at the trade shows. This is the big orange equipment at the trade show that we're talking about. So I believe this machine is for like your agricultural field fence. It'll stretch all of that. Over here looks like you got barbed wire you can put on it. Some concrete hoppers. And of course you got a few different versions of the fence hog here. This one's for your little walk behind mini skid steers. Got one over here for your big skid steers. So there's looks like they have an attachment for a hydraulic motor that goes up top that'll wind it back up. Now we're over on the other side, so we have another concrete mixer. What do they call this one? The mobile mud hog. You can look inside, it'll mix it all and dump it, and this blade on top, so you can just drop the bag on it and it'll split your bag right there. So this particular machine, I guess, is the new barbed wire hog. So now it looks like your 3 rolls of barbed wire stack over here, and then it's gonna run through, weave through these and up. So same principle, but they redesigned the whole bottom end of it. So we have one of these. Y'all have seen the videos of it. This thing's a beast. The gas-powered Rhinos, we have the pneumatic Rhinos, and we also have the hydraulic too. We're here in the Rhino booth with Amy and Ashley. We have a few of your gas-powered drivers and pneumatic, and we just got a hydraulic driver earlier this year that's fantastic. What's your most popular item that you're selling right now in the fence industry?
Our gas model, our Multi-Pro XA. Our hydraulic is, of course, our strongest contender, and then our pneumatic was what Rhino was actually built on 50 years ago.
Right.
These are great because they last forever. Our number one thing with Rhino was the quality.
The pneumatic and the hydraulic are fairly comparable. Where you have less hitting power would be in the Multi-Pro XA compared to those two. Yes.
So the trade-off is the convenience versus the power.
Absolutely.
That's a big thing with Rhino, so we want to make sure that we provide everything that they're looking for.
This is the coolest arcade race game I've ever played, I think.
Dude, get out of the way. And we're in the Wallace Perimeter Security booth, and we're checking out these gates. We just saw them moving and thought they were really cool. So what can you tell us about these?
This is our Fold Smart gate, and this right here is our PDXT gate. They're both bifold gates.
Right.
This is, like I say, our PDXT, which is more of our robust gate.
Okay, so a little heavier duty on that one.
Yeah.
What size gate openings can you do with these?
23 on both of them, maybe.
And so all the automation and everything is built into the post?
Correct.
And so when we would get the post, it would already be built in there like that?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Yes.
I like this. I like the pickets that are big and they're turned at the 45-degree angle instead of being square.
We do that also. We'll also do some of the laser etching if a customer asks for that.
Okay, so we could order with the logo put into
Absolutely.
it? Yeah.
Well, we do that with some police departments or fire departments if they want something like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
So, yeah.
I'm a big fan of lock and knock stuff.
Make it do something for you. Gate motor pushes open the gates automatically.
Oh, that's awesome. What kind of safety stuff does it have for
Nothing.
pedestrians?
I'll put my finger here and I won't get killed. So the safety sensor is integrated. So if someone trips or gets hit, the motor will detect.
Okay. So it's sensitive enough built in that you don't need anything else.
Exactly.
Yeah. And you have, so I guess you have free exit options and all of that. Yeah.
So the one we have here is the retrofit motors combined with a standard hinge.
Right.
The one we have there is motor and hinge in one.
So this is the Mammoth 2. And what changed with the mounting system?
So the old mounting system was one side like this, other side like this.
Correct.
And now it's butterfly.
Oh, okay. So it's
both on the front side.
All the handles and everything are lock and knocks as well?
Yeah, so we have locks, hinges, handles, gate closers, gate operators, keypads, access control.
Yeah.
Everything you need to make a gate work.
Yeah. Well, nice. I appreciate it, Tom. Thanks for talking to me, man. Yeah. Dude, this is the remote control?
Yeah.
That's a beastly controller.
It is.
That's crazy.
Hey, but we wanted to make it durable. You know, fence guys are hard on stuff, so really wanted to make sure it lasted.
Right here, we've redesigned it to be more durable and more efficient on the job site.
And you said 4,000 pound capacity.
Yes, sir.
So you can put 4,000 pounds on it.
Yes, sir. You can put 4,000 pounds on it and roll it around all day.
What's the life expectancy of the battery?
You get 3.5 hours of full run time, and then the charge time on it is 6 hours. You got 1/4 inch steel on here, so it's not going anywhere. We have the controller. We're redesigning it with a bar right now. It's full metal though.
Yeah, we were admiring that a minute ago. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. So we have also auxiliary switches on here, so you can add your own outlets or lights or sirens. If you want to put a train horn on it, put one on there, man. This is for people who like their jobs to be efficient and take the heavy lifting off the skilled laborers.
Where's the chair mount?
The chair mount? So
We need
a really
chair
big
mount?
chair.
So how many of these have y'all manufactured?
This is the first one that we have fully manufactured. We have 25 on order right now. From the manufacturer, we'll get them in early April and start running them out in the field.
What's the price tag on one of these?
So the price tag, $18,500.
Okay. Could you run like battery powered tools and charge them off of here?
So with the auxiliary switches, you can add outlets on the side and charge your drills, charge your radio, you know, anything you wanted to. Charge your saws.
Yeah, that's cool.
Just like
so
that.
now you have like a mobile charging station you could set up on here too.
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be
Yes,
awesome.
you do.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate it a lot, man.
sir. You
Thank
have a
you
good
very
one.
much. So another automated pedestrian gate. Farewell. Uh-oh. Y'all found me again. It's really cool, man. This thing looks super beastly. It's crazy. I didn't know it would be so slow.
Start interviewing it.
Yeah, of course it's blue. We're just checking out your post driver here.
Yeah.
If you want to tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, sure thing. So these are manufactured and designed in New Zealand. So it has 180 degrees of rotation around, about 2.5 feet of extension straight out. You can tilt your mast up and also spin it on the axis down here. That utilizes a 770-pound lead-filled hammer with an anvil. You can just about get you can comfortably pound a 13-foot post with this machine. Adjustable feet, so you can get into any position you'd like. Both of them will attach to a 3-point, and we also have adapter plates for if you want to run them with a skid loader. Really heavy Harleman augers. It's one of the brands we carry. We really like their augers. We think they're one of the strongest and heaviest and best built augers.
Yeah. 13-foot post?
Yeah, they'll both do a 13-foot post comfortably.
Okay.
You can get higher, but then you start picking the actual machine up off the ground, and after that, that's cowboy territory.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
All right, so Maverick Supreme, the residential one, a little bit lighter weight.
Maverick Supreme Steel, residential, MSSR.
So is there a Maverick Supreme aluminum?
There's a Maverick Ultra. That is our aluminum line.
So you got to get a catalog or call somebody.
Get the catalog.
Oh, here's the Maverick Ultra Aluminum Supreme Plus.
Residential, commercial, industrial.
Now you'll have normal names in there mixed up too.
Golden Gate. We love California.
Yeah, and Top Gun.
And Top Gun.
All right, cool. So y'all build these aluminum slide gates.
We do, out of 1-inch pickets only.
Okay, or chain link that doesn't have pickets.
Or chain link, that is correct. 2-inch 9-gauge chain link.
You have vinyl that's got some crazy name too. You can check it out.
Chesapeake Bay comes with a bottle of Obey if you buy a truckload. I'll throw in a bottle of Obey, can of Obey for your seafood boil.
How about a case?
You got it.
Okay.
For a truckload, you got it.
I'm out here negotiating for y'all.
You got it. Yeah, absolutely. I have like a year's worth of Obey.
Yeah.
For your Chesapeake Bay boil.
All right.
Nice. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Deal.
I appreciate it.
Hi, how's it going, FenceTech?
We're here, Unlimited Sports Solutions.
Correct.
And what do y'all have going on out here?
Yeah, our display and everything, our netting system, our fusion wall pads, and our dugout rail systems that we make. So this is our wall padding, outfield wall padding systems that we fabricate all our wall padding.
How does this stuff attach?
So there's a variation of ways that it can attach. Easiest is 2-chain link directly. This is more like what we call our fusion wall system. It's similar to that. These are the the Zeus clips that we use to hang it on. So again, this is kind of a modified because of our display system, but similar setup. But again, this is what we call our fusion wall. These are just regular fence posts, every 4 foot on center that we use here. Same thing, pads will slide right off. We can do this padding on block wall as well, which again, 3 different attachment types to it.
So this would be like a backstop, right?
Yep, this is a backstop.
Yeah. Tire system comes from you.
Correct.
Right.
The poles, the cabling, the hardware, the hog rings, the spring clips, everything comes as a package to you guys. We get the poles, everything. This is what we call our dugout rail kit. So this is basically, you're gonna see a lot in front of dugouts. A lot of them are going to, this is more of like your pro style, your major league style, where it's a square, nice ones. You also have the DIY ones that you get on a little less expensive for the round posts. But we basically can sell just the pads, or we can do the actual steel framework as well with it. So those can be plate mounted or direct buried.
So you can do the full system for this
Yep.
in front of the dugouts.
Yep.
And you do the whole dugout too, right? The roof and everything,
Correct.
you'll offer all of that.
Yep.
The bleachers.
Yep, bleachers, you name it. Anything vertical on an athletic complex, we can supply basically. We want to be that one-stop shop. Anything that we don't manufacture, we have partnerships with when you're looking at like the hitting mats, windscreen, fence cap, anything like that, bases that we can source basically through our partners.
Yeah. Man, this is something we need to be doing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And partnering with you and being able to send everything to y'all and y'all kind of coach us through it and help us to really figure it out, I think would be a huge asset. It makes us a lot more comfortable with trying to get into that world.
Correct. And that's what we, you guys don't have to be the experts on it, but reach out to us. We had somebody the other day that was needing help with the dugout. I said, FaceTime us. Reach out. Use us as a resource.
I'd say if you're working on a sports complex and you see something, just send it over. Let them look at the whole thing.
Yep.
They'll tell you what they can do.
Come on, Memphis Fence News. What's up, guys?
So we're just walking around talking to some of our friends here on the show floor, and we wanted to stop by and give a shout out to these guys.
Peter and Ed here. Galv Pro.
We were accidentally neighbors at FenceTech, I think, last year. And we bought a pallet of paint from them and took it back, and we're like, we'll try it. And all the guys loved it. So I would say if you're looking for some galvanized or black or any other kind of aerosol paint, and what all do you do?
We're the Galv Pro. We got our high-end galvanizing paint here for you. It's high shine.
Our guys love the black and they love the galvanized both. And the marking paint, I think we got some of it as well.
Absolutely. Everybody loves the marking paint. You can find us online at galvpro.com, galv-pro.com. That's where we are.
Can't go to FenceTech without stopping by and seeing our friends at JC Curry. Look at that.
Hey,
look at that beauty.
That Memphis fence sign.
Look at that beauty.
Are we recording? Oh, hi, I'm Mary at JC Curry. It's my dad's company. He bought it in 1970. We lost him in 2022, and now it's my company, and I'm carrying the same quality and things I learned from my dad. A lot of our employees have been here. We just celebrated 40-year anniversary of our production manager, and a lot of our printers, people have been there 20 and 30 years. So you're getting the same quality that we've learned for a long time, and I'm just really proud of our company and what we've started and come a long way. And I'm glad to carry it on.
Yeah, absolutely.
You didn't know that, did you?
I didn't.
Now you do.
I do.
Now you do.
I tell people all the time, they're so much nicer than our old signs that we had. It's crazy because I've heard about JC Curry for a long time.
Great. I got to talk to Jamie, though. He keeps posting your old sign.
He's over there.
Jamie, don't post the old sign.
Don't post the old sign.
We got the bigger ones for the temporary, and we put the shorter ones on our normal fence.
Oh, and the chain links?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So they fit perfect.
Everybody can see it from the road if they're driving by or whatever. You can see your sign, and that's the purpose of a sign, mainly, because you want reorders, you want new business.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks for talking to me.
Thanks, Dan.
Thank you very much. That's awesome. See what it does. Yeah, I don't really know. It bends pipe.
So our company is Bentech. We're based in Wisconsin.
So you program everything beforehand and you just hit go. So clamps on like a lathe and it'll bend the same shapes over and over.
We have unlimited programs that you can save in here.
Yeah.
You have a die collection that you can, if you have multiple dies, you can select them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for example, like you want to create a part, very simple.
All right, it's all CNC. So you program it all and it just runs through and cuts your parts. Oh, so you have a marker on it, simulating it cutting. Yeah, that's cool. What size capacity can it be?
2-inch schedule 40.
2-inch schedule, so 2-inch ID?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for us, 2 3/8. That's super cool. I love this kind of stuff.
Yeah, thank you.
We're going to Master Halco booth to go race mini RC cars and watch Dan lose to his little brother. That's what we're doing.
Awesome. Let's freaking go.
Let's go, dude.
Dominated.
All right. I'm glad it's race themed and not farm themed. Well, you're not going to win this. F that.
It's not fair. You have this car.
Yeah, but I haven't used it in like a year. So.
He has this car.
Sure, I'm about to haul ass out the gate this time.
Which one's mine?
On your mark. Get set. Go. Really going now. Final lap. You have earned this.
Awesome.
As the fastest racer at Master Halco Speedway.
Thank you so much. I appreciate this. It's been an honor to whoop Dan's ass RC cars today. Just grateful for the opportunity.
So next time you'll hear Adam talking all that crap about being a great driver, ask him what happened to this mirror. And that's pretty much it.